Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my dear brothers and sisters. This is Sheba Griho New Chikitshalay, and you know that I'm a DHMS homeopathic doctor from Rangpur Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital. This is at Shahjahan Colony in Lalmonirhat. This is our first chamber, and this is my brother Abdul Mumin. He is giving a treatment of jinn. Some people came here to treatment jinn problem, the nation of jinn. And my father, this is my father. Patients are taking medicine. I have to make medicine. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.